I am Dipali Gavande, the Technical Assistant in the Computer Technology Department of KK Polytechnic. Today we are going to start the digital practicals. First we will learn what are the instruments and equipments used in the digital laboratory for performing the digital electronics practical. So the equipment or instrument we have used first, the digital power supply, that is DC regulated power supply, along with the connecting wires like this. We have to use 5 volt or slightly less than 5 volt for the digital practicals. Then second one instrument that is used, that is the digital IC tester, because as you see all the IC are looking same, but we have to check the IC before connecting the circuit, that is IC is okay or not. For that purpose the digital IC tester is used. Then breadboard is used. You can see this breadboard, its construction is like holes, that is looking like a bread, so it is called as breadboard. The breadboard is used for the temporary connection of any electronic circuit. Then we have to use different types of IC that is required for the practical. The IC are recognized by its number. As you know, the 7404, 7408, 7432, these are the different IC using for the different purposes, that is gates or circuit like that. Then for the output purpose we have to use LED as an indicator, and before connecting the LED we have to use resistor for current limiting, otherwise your LED will be burned. Then for the connector we require the different types of single stranded wire that is used on the breadboard. These wires are like that. We can use different colors of wire for the different signals. That is generally the VCC. For VCC the red wire is used, and for the ground black wire is used. Similarly you can use different colors for the different connection for the input as well as output. And for the cutting the wire, this cutter is used for a wire. Now we will see the digital IC tester, how it is used. You can see there is on off button, and after that there are the 2 sockets are provided for placing the IC. One is smaller and other is for bigger. You can place IC on any of the socket here. First we test the IC. So this IC is 7408. Can you see the number on it? 7408. Okay. We place this IC on a smaller socket. The IC should place at the bottom of the socket like this, and this notch should be then placed downward. Now in this part you can see the screen where the IC condition is shown as well as the keypad is provided. This data is previous, we have to first clear it on. Now you can place the IC number using the keypad like 7408, and we have to then press test button. Okay, it indicating that the IC is bad. Which IC? 7408. And also buzzer will appear, that indicating the faulty IC. Now we will test the another IC. Again make the notch upward, so the socket is releasing the IC pins, and now we will place the another IC. Its number is 7402. That is NOR IC. Okay. Now again we place the IC at the bottom of the socket like this using the notch upward, then place the notch downward, and first we will clear the data, that is clear, then IC 7402 and test. So as you see the indicator buzzer is not on and the IC is is good, and 7402, that is IC is good. So like this we can test the different IC on this IC tester. After testing the IC, we have to place the IC on a breadboard like this. This center groove is provided for placing the IC. Why? Because if we place IC like this, the upper and lower pins will get shorted. So we have to place IC on the center groove only like this. And suppose an IC numbers are like pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 16. Okay. Now first we have to connect the VCC or any of the connection to the pin. Suppose for pin number 1 we have to connect this wire. Then when where should be I place that wire? That is in any of these hole like this. Then the connection is made. Okay. If I place the wire here anywhere, the connection is not done. And in any of this hole I make like connection, the connection is made. Okay. In upper and lower part of the breadboard, there are number of pins that are connected vertically. These are also connected vertically. These pins are provided for the VCC and ground purpose. Why VCC and ground purpose? More holes are provided because while performing the practical, we have to connect number of pins to the VCC as well as ground at same time. So number of pins for the VCC and ground require are more. So these lines are, these holes are provided. So in short, we today see the number of equipment and instruments used for the digital laboratory practical for performing the practicals, that is power supply, IC tester, breadboard and different components, wires as well as cutter. In next practical, we will see how these are combinedly used and how we will perform the digital practical, that is our practical number 1. Thank you.